Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna unbox this Philips Series 3000 effortless trimmer. This is a beard trimmer from Philips. The cost price is around uh, 2295, but I got this for around 2100. There are some specifications on this side as saying cordless and cordless use, 60 minutes of cordless use after 1 hour charging or plug-in device, battery indicator, titanium coated steel blades and washable blades, and including they also have included a storage pouch with it. On the back there are other some few more specifications written, including a zoom wheel to 20 lens settings. You can adjust the height of the blade as per as your needs. And on the right side there are some pictures of these trimmers, so let's open it up and see what is inside. On opening the box, you get the pouch itself. It's a normal ziplock pouch, nothing much more than that. Here are some user guides, how to use the blades and on all. The warranty card. So let's give it a side. Let's check the device itself. So here is the trimmer, the Philips Series 3000 trimmer. The build quality is quite nice, as you can see. This is the adjustable wheel to adjust the height of the blade. There is a battery indication light, the power on off button. This is the actual blade off. You can actually remove this if you want a clean shave. For that you can remove this plastic casing over that, which this plastic casing is used for adjusting the height of the beard, so you can adjust your height as much as your needs. And this is the actual blade. Let me put it inside. This is the adjustable wheel through which you can adjust the height. You can see if I rotate this wheel, you can see the height getting increased. See, so it has total of mark 10, so it means you can adjust from around 5 millimeter to 10 millimeter of width. So let's see if got any juice in or not. Just power it on. Yeah, it has some juice. Anyway, the overall build quality is quite nice. It has a premium feel. It's feel like rubber coated, but actually it's not. It's just a plastic. On the bottom side there are some manufacturing places like made in Indonesia by Philips, with some markings and Philips logo with that. And one thing to be precise is that this is not a waterproof, means you can wash the blade by removing the blade. I don't know, they also say that you can remove the blade. I don't know if it is removable or not. Let me try first. No, I don't think it is removable. Anyway, so you can clean the blades with a small brush. It is included in this packet. As you can see, this is the small brush through which you can clean the blades by removing this plastic case. Just lightly just pull and it will come out. Don't pull much hard, otherwise it will break. So you can clean these heads of the brush, because sometimes our beard gets stuck in between these two blades and it will create problem in the oscillation. So you can clean on that. Overall, the build quality is quite nice, as you can see. And so here is the charger. Wow, it's a quite long charger for a trimmer, I guess. Anyway, it's good. Let's give that side, the box itself also. So on the back side you also have the charging socket through which you can charge for if you charge for around 1 hour, it will give a battery backup of 1 hour itself. And also you can use it with the power cord tucked in. So anyway, this was the quick unboxing and the review of the Philips 3000 series beard trimmer. I hope you like it. I will mention the price in the description box below if you anyone want to purchase this from it. So anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.